T110-FY Simple Teaching. First, click on New. Click on the text to input the content to be printed. Click on the date to directly import real-time dates. Click Barcode. Enter the content to be generated. Click plus or to change the font size. Click Print. Put the product to be printed into the transfer bag. Click to start printing. Press the key on the conveyor belt once. Press the conveyor belt switch again. Printing parameter adjustment. Printing parameter adjustment. If reverse printing is enabled, the printed content will be reversed. The content printed by flipping up and down is reversed. Turn on the sensor to sense the product. Do not open these unless necessary. If the number of consecutive printing cycles is 2, single trigger continuous printing to times. The continuous printing interval refers to the distance between two consecutive printings. The larger the delay value of printing, the later the printing. The smaller the value, the more advanced the spraying. Try not to turn on the signal as much as possible. The sensor shielding distance refers to temporary sensor after printing, distance for blocking detection. Anti-interference can prevent false triggering and random coding. Enabling the encoder can synchronize product speed, holding the spray code clearly without deformation. Encoder frequency division. The smaller the value, the narrower it will be. The larger the value, the wider it gets. The faster the coding speed value, the faster the spraying. The smaller the value, the slower the spraying. Synchronous multiplication can transform words. Adjust neatly through deformation and elongation. DPI refers to resolution and does not need to be changed. Replace the left and right nozzles. Only applicable to half-inch ink cartridges. Assuming the left nozzle is blocked, can be switched to use with the right nozzle. If the printing is not clear, you can check the voltage and pulse width parameters. Usually used, the voltage should not be lower than 9.0 volts, above 9.5 volts. The pulse width cannot be less than 2.0 us, above 2.3 us. The larger the bold, the darker the printing effect. When the ambient temperature is too low, ink heating can be turned on. Turn on the printing sound. When identifying the product and printing completion, you can hear the beeping sound of beeps. Enable screen update. The device will directly synchronize real-time time. Fixed printing quantity can be set in the number of printing times. Stop printing after reaching the set value. Do not use flash spray for a short period of time, such as 10 minutes. Can prevent nozzle clogging and keep the nozzle moist. Total count representation. The number of times the machine has been printed. Machine settings can be set up. Change the direction and speed of the conveyor belt.